another breaking news. Delhi LG VK Saxena has granted sanction to the Enforcement Directorate to prosecute AAP Chief Minister, I beg your pardon, and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the excise policy case. The ED has sought this permission on the 5th of December. A big news related to Arvind Kejriwal, where the Enforcement Directorate has been granted sanction to prosecute the AAP convener and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in connection to the excise policy case. In fact, the Enforcement Directorate has sought this permission on the 5th of December. A big setback for Arvind Kejriwal as an ED, as the Enforcement Directorate. The request to prosecute Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the excise policy case has been granted. The Enforcement Directorate, viewers, has alleged that Kejriwal conspired with the South Group to receive substantial kickbacks and misused funds for Aam Aadmi Party's Goa election campaign. The ED sought the LG's nod to prosecute Kejriwal earlier this month after it found a huge level of corruption in the framing and implementation of Kejriwal's excise policy case. We're also being joined by Madhurima, my colleague, live from the newsroom to get us more on the story. Madhurima, this is a rapid development. The Enforcement Directorate, in fact, has a green go. Tell us more.
Well, so what needs to be seen here is that this is a major blow to the Aam Aadmi Party and its convener Arvind Kejriwal, just right ahead of the crucial Delhi Assembly election that will take place somewhere around next year in the month of February. What needs to be seen here is that this link between the South Indian political parties and Arvind Kejriwal in the liquor scam case is not new. We've seen how K. Kavita, along with her assistant and many more people from the southern state, have been interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate in the past. In fact, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had spent a couple of months inside the Tihar jail because of these accusations. Remember that the Enforcement Directorate has solid proof in the liquor scam case. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what really happens and how does the Enforcement Directorate further moves as far as the liquor scam policy case is concerned. Remember, Manish Sisodia, Arvind Kejriwal and his PA Vijay Nair all had faced the wrath of the Enforcement Directorate, and yet again it's a major blow for Mr. Kejriwal. We'll have to see what happens next.
Right, Madhurima, stay with us. We're also being joined by Soumya, who is in New Delhi, to get us more on the story. Soumya, the Lieutenant Governor has now given a go to the ED to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal based on the excise case. Tell us more.
Yes, the Enforcement Directorate had earlier this month sought the nod of the LG to prosecute the AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal in formulation of the liquor policy. However, now today the LG VK Saxena has given its sanction to the Enforcement Directorate to prosecute AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal. In its complaint, ED has alleged that Arvind Kejriwal sought the help of the South Group in return of the kickbacks, and it has also favored the private entities while implementing the liquor policy. So it is a matter of time. We'll see how it pans out after the sanction has been given by LG VK Saxena to the ED to prosecute AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal. As an important point to note here is that Delhi Assembly elections are right around the corner. So it will be a big blow to Aam Aadmi Party. Back to you.
Right, Soumya, thank you so much for joining us on the story. We will get back to it. And thanks, Madhurima, for staying with us. We will get back to the story as and when there are developments. But for now, we'll be moving on.